did the Aussie dollar, we did the, okay, we do have another 15 minutes, so we can do the Aussie yen just in case. Take a look at it. And of course you can see here, because the Aussie has given us a sell signal versus the Aussie dollar, you can see that it has been very weak, specifically versus the yen, and it has broken below the structure point from 85.90 or 98 all the way down to 85. So that was a big capitulation. But here, guys, we have another nice issue, nice situation. We have seen that we have the potential, the same like what happened 2 weeks ago or last Friday. We have a good setup on the euro yen and the pound yen and the dollar yen. And I didn't show you the dollar yen. The dollar yen is brilliant. I'll show you in a minute. And now we have, look at this Aussie yen. It broke below the structure of 85.98, and look where it closed. 85.98. So if you look at the intraday chart, you see the break below the structure all the way down. It turned back and it ended the day at the structure point right there. So for us, that is, again, we're looking at two weak currencies or two currencies that are giving us a sell signal. So this here we have a no-brainer trade. If it's above 85.98, we want to be buyers. If it breaks below 95, below 85.98, we want to be sellers. One of them is going to take advantage of the other. One of them is going. But in this case, we're going to be a little bit selective. So I'm going to go short because it's sitting at it right now. I have two momentum lows over here, so this is going to be my short. Below 85.72. Okay? That's my short. On the long side, it is sitting at 98. It is right there. So if come Tokyo tomorrow night and it's sitting above 85.98, why we buy it? And the two structures are very tight. It's basically no-brainers. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to buy above 85.98, and this is my structural. In this case, I'm going to do something different today, guys. I'm going to leave everything as 85.98. Okay? I want to make sure that all of you listening to me are clear of what I'm going to do here. I'm going to leave everything 85.98 because it's right there. Okay? But we are only going to go short. Practically, you're only going to pull the trigger on selling below 85, let's say 72. But for the sake of consistency, I'm going to leave this like this. Alright? Are we clear on that? Anybody say yes, no, maybe? Okay. What we're doing is, again, you just put a horizontal line on your intraday if you don't have the software, and now you're going to trade below 85.60, right there, 85.72. This is where you're going to take the short. Okay? Anywhere in this here you don't want to touch. Right, if it sits, comes Tokyo, and it's above the 98, 85.98, then you want to be a buyer and you place your stop probably below the 85.72. Alright? This is why, because it's sitting at the structure point, precise, it's sitting on it. It can break either way. So that's it, whichever way it breaks, this is the way we're going to take it. Okay? So the 85.98, and this should give us, this would be an exciting. The reason I did that, because it's going to be a very exciting experiment or something that we can see on Monday. That this is such a decision-making point on both of them that we probably have a brilliant trade, God willing, on it. Okay. So this is